Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss previous year question paper from UP TET paper 1. We are here focusing on EVS section. There are total 30 questions. So question number 1, that is 121th question. Plants are green due to the presence of which pigment? So here correct option is 4, chlorophyll. Second question, human activities that cause climate change on the earth include use of aerosol cans, burning of forest, agricultural activities, and fourth is all of the above. So all of the above answers are options are correct. So fourth option is correct. Third question is which crop belonging to the family Euphorbiaceae is known for producing biodiesel? So here option second is correct. That is Jatropha is a Jatropha is correct answer. So Jatropha is a flowering plant. Mainly its stems are used for basket making and oil from Jatropha is converted into biodiesel. Other countries use palm oil, soya bean, sunflower seeds for the production of biodiesel. But the Indian government preferred to use a Jatropha plant for the production of biodiesel. So option second is correct. Okay, next question is the queen of herb is the most sacred herb of India. This medicinal plant has importance in Hindu mythology and has the scientific name Ocimum sanctum. What is it commonly called? So we know that correct answer is second option, option 2, tulsi. Okay, now fifth question is the water that is safe to drink is called. So the option third is correct, distilled water. This is the water which is safe to drink. Next 126 question, that is sixth question. The Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 was due to the leakage of which of the following gases? So here option second is correct, methyl isocyanate. Next seventh question, the World Environment Day falls on. So here option 1 is correct, 5th June. Eighth question, M.S. Swaminathan was. So M.S. Swaminathan was an ecologist. Option 1 is correct. Ninth question, where is Wildlife Institute of India located? So right answer is option 4, Dehradun. Okay, next is 10th question. During photosynthesis, which of the following is absorbed by green plants? So green plant absorb carbon dioxide. So option 1 is correct, carbon dioxide. Question number 11th. The organism which feed on the waste products are called. So here option option second is correct, detrivorous. Detrivorous, option second is correct. That is also known in Hindi is mritak bhakshi. Okay, so now 12th question, what type of energy is derived from heated groundwater? So here option 1 is correct, geothermal energy. Now 13th question, Shola grasslands are found in. Here option second is correct, Shola grasslands are found in the Western Ghats. Shola forests are tropical montane forests. It mainly consists of dwarf trees or we can grasslands. Mainly it consists of dwarf trees and grasslands. Okay, next 14th question, in India pelicans breed in all of the above. Option 4 is correct, all of the above. Now here pelican is a type of water bird. So they breed in all of the three options, Kokere Belur, Nalapattu and Kunthekulam. So pelicans breed in all of the above. Next question, 15th question, Minamata disease was caused Minamata disease was caused eating fish which have high levels of mercury. Option 3 is correct. This disease is a neurological syndrome caused by severe mercury poisoning. Okay, so option 3 is correct. Next, 16th question. Maximum ozone depletion has been observed in which of the following? So, maximum ozone depletion. We know ozone is found in stratosphere layer of atmosphere. In 1980s, for the first time, atmospheric scientist who was working in Antarctica reported about the depletion of the ozone layer, that is commonly known as ozone hole, over the south pole. So option 3 is correct, that is south pole. Next, 17th question. Who among the following was the first Chief Justice of India? So first Chief Justice of India was option A, Hira Lal J Kanya. Next, 18th question. The red data book is related to, option 1 is correct, animals near extinction. 19th question. Who among the following is the present chairperson of National Commission for Women? So, present chairperson of the National Commission for Women is Rekha Sharma. Option 3 is correct, Rekha Sharma. Next question, 20th question. The joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha of states is summoned by the president. Option 2 is correct. Next is 141th question. Which part of the constitution has a provision for Panchayati Raj system? So option 2 is correct. Ninth part of the constitution has a provision for Panchayati Raj system. Next question, that is 22nd question. 74th amendment of the constitution is related to, so basically 74th constitutional amendment act gave constitutional recognition to municipalities by adding part 9a. It is linked to urban local bodies known as nagar palikas. So here option 3 is correct, urban local self government. Next, 23rd question. Which of the following gases soluble in rainwater causes acidic? So here option 4 is correct, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is correct option. Next, 24th question. Rule of law concept has been taken in the Indian constitution from England. Option 3 is correct. Next, 25th question. Who carries out notification for the election of the Lok Sabha? So the right answer is Election Commission of India. Option 2 is correct. Shri Sukumar Sen was first Election Commission of India, and present Election Commission of India is Sushil Chandra. Okay. Now, 26th question. The first hour of business of Lok Sabha is known as, so first hour of business of Lok Sabha is known as question hour. So option 4 is correct. Next, 27th question. What is rain harvesting? So here third option is correct, collection and storage of rainwater. Okay, now 28th question. Indian rhinoceros is protected in Kaziranga National Park. Option 3 is correct. Now 149th question, that is 29th question. Which of the following series is true about energy flow in an ecosystem? So here option 1 is correct. First is producer, second is consumer, then decomposer. So option 1 is correct. 150th question, or you can say 30th question from the EVS section, and this is the last question. greenhouse gas which is present in the highest quantity in atmosphere is option 1, that is carbon dioxide. So correct answer is carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching.